Let's start with understanding the plagiarism report checking by using seminar. This video will talk about how to check your seminar report or a project report which you have using small SEO tools, which is free of cost, which allows you to scan the pages and also check the plagiarism depending upon again at a limit of 1000 words. So if you have a huge project report, how should we go for it? That's a best example. What you can do is here, yes, we can write here small SEO tool. So we'll just see in this video how we can go on. Okay, yes, see in the small SEO tools.com, as we come, we can click on plagiarism checker, or grammar check facility is also there. If you want to improve your article rewriting, that is also there. If you want to count the word, so number of tools are available, uppercase to lowercase, and number of tools are available by small SEO tools. So one of the thing which we can do is plagiarism check. So go on for plagiarism check. Here it gives us, to use this plagiarism checker, we have to copy and paste the content in the box below and then click on the blue button which says check plagiarism. So your article will be scanned for duplicated content. So you can see this below, the blue part which is highlighted. This is where we need to copy and paste the content which we can check. You can also upload a document, that is txt file, doc file, and so on, and also choose a file from this and go for plagiarism. So you can go up to using GoPro also, which is a paid version. So for a free version we have to use the 1000 words over here, and how to go for it. Now consider that this is your seminar report. This is a particular seminar report which has number of chapters. Now here I'm taking the first chapter. So understand that I have taken my first chapter and pasted over here. Now if we can understand, then the words over here are 988. You can check out and remove the blank spaces. If it is, you can remove the blank spaces, and still it will show you that there are 988 total words in this file, whichever you have attached or whatever contents you have added. Now to check it out, how to go it, we should go for checking of plagiarism. As said, you have to click here, I am not a robot, and go for check plagiarism. Now when you click on the check plagiarism, it starts checking the contents, and you can observe the results will be observed over here. Now as you go below, you will check the results will be there, and it is saying that 4% or 8% checking has been done, how much plagiarism it has identified, and how much uniqueness is there in your particular content. So it is checking by the meantime, and then it will generate the report also. Now see here, you can find here sentence wise result is there. You can document the view, you can match the sources. Whatever sources are there, those sources can also be matched over here. So if you see about the unique and plagiarized, now when you can observe that after the report is completed, if you go on the plagiarized contents and compare, it will show you that from where this particular sentence has come. As it is, if you have copied your content from any of the source file, it will come check, or any of the website, it will just check it out that where this particular content is coming. So that much transparency your small SEO tools gives you, and it shows you how the report how much plagiarism it is. So till the meantime it is happening, we can go on and check that what are the different other features which small SEO tools is doing. 48% checking has been completed. So here we can understand that plagiarism check, grammar check, logo maker is also there, PDF to word converter or SEO checker is also available over here. You can get the report also of the plagiarism. So how to get the report, that we are going to see, and how to club all the reports, that is also we are going to see. So 64% of checking has been done. Let's wait some time, dear students and dear friends. So this is how. Now to check for another particular as it is being done, we can do is what? Copy the second chapter. Like this is my second chapter. I copy this chapter. Okay. So I copy this chapter also, and I'll keep it over here for my plagiarism check. So 88% of my checking has been completed, and in which you can identify that there is 22% of plagiarism and 70% of uniqueness in my contents up till now. It might change depending upon the entire document. It might change. It gives you the summary. So here you observe now the complete 100% checking has been done, and your content is having 28% plagiarism and 72% of uniqueness. So if you want to improve, you can improve that, and to compare how it is now, when as a part you can compare over here and check it out. Now this, as it is, the sentence is where in all these sentences are there. Now you can observe that these sentence as it is not there in any of the file, but if you observe, some of the words are there which are matching in the other contents. So this is being showed over here. As it is, the contents is not the copied, so we can keep it we can keep it as it is. Or again here, if we start comparing, you can see that these particular words, they never had such functions and are classified. This is already taken from a live wikipedia.org, and here you can identify that these as it is, the sentence has been copied in your content. So accordingly the plagiarism content can be checked. Now finally, if the entire content is being done, we can download the report, we can share the report, or start the new search. Now what you have to do is download the report for the first chapter. We are downloading this report, okay, and we have copied the second chapter content. Now this is over here. We save the file, and this file is being saved. Okay, now let's start with a new search for the second chapter. For the second chapter, again the same process you will have to do. Here copy paste the content of the second chapter which have already been copied. Again check it out, the words which are there is 454, so you can add more words also, but go on chapter wise. Then go on I am not a robot, check the plagiarism. Till the plagiarism is getting checked down, if I observe that the results are being coming. Okay, I had not clicked on I am not a robot, and I go for check plagiarism. The plagiarism check is being done. Okay, let's see. After some time it might give me the results. Okay, till then what we have to do with the downloaded part, go into the small SEO tools, this particular file, and I can give it a name as, suppose this is my first chapter. So right click on this and rename this file as chapter, or the name of your, now rename. While renaming, you remember that what you have to write is your seminar ID. Suppose my seminar ID is 1, name of mine, suppose KMS, and project name, seminar title of mine, suppose it is bank management system, so I will give bank management system, and this is my first page. So I can write this is chapter 1 _ 1 KMS bank management system. So I save this particular thing, and now if you observe, the second chapter contents are also being checked out, and I can see over here. Now here obviously literature survey will give you much more plagiarism, because most of the contents are there which are copied from other sources. But you observe that though you have this plagiarism, what you have to do is change the wordings at least, so that entire plagiarism is not there. To gain more marks for the plagiarism, or to skip away from the plagiarism, you can do is change the contents by writing it in our own word. So this is 95% checking has been complete, and we still identify that there only 52% plagiarism is there, and 48% of uniqueness is only there for our part. So you need to rechange the sentences, and here you can see as it is the words have been copied over here. Now 100% checking has been done. So what you can do is download this report also. This is for your second chapter. Likewise, you can do it for each and entire chapter. Now I'll show you how to combine your report and how to go on for the seminar checking. So here my second report is also being checked. I'll go into this particular thing. See, yeah. This is what I wanted to show you, that it will give you a plagiarism scan report, which gives you that on what date you have done the plagiarism checking, and how many characters it had, what type of plagiarism it is having, and how much percent, 48% uniqueness is there. And if you see the red part of it, these contents are plagiarized. This is what it is showing. So I need to change over here, and it is showing that how much percent from where I have copied, 5% from this, 8%, 10%, or 25% as it is from this particular paper, or 50% as it is from these two particular links. So it is showing me where the similarity is being done. So entire plagiarism scan report is observed over here. So where you can go is in the downloads part again. Now here if you are seeing small, now we'll go for the second thing. Okay, small SEO tools, and we'll observe here. Yeah, so here you can observe this is the file which has been generated. Again, rename this file. While renaming, I already told you chapter 2_1_KMS, and I can give bank management system. So this is where is my part. Okay, so this is my chapter 1 and chapter 2. Now what I can do is, this is completion of your reports chapter wise. After this, what you would do is go into the Netro PDF. The Netro PDF is also one of the PDF which allows you to combine the various files. I go into Netro PDF, and thanks to Netro PDF Professional, which is allowing you to combine the files, PDF files. Now here you can start with converting, combine the files over here. So which files I need to add the files? Now from my downloads I will add two files, one which I had given chapter, okay, I had given C, cancel, okay, add the files. So here you can observe my first file which has been there, yeah, chapter 1 and chapter 2. I take these files, combine these files. Now these two header files I have to combine. It gives me where you want to move it up or down together. I take these two files, and both of these files are there. It will ask me include all open PDF files, and I right here click on open the file PDF files after creation. So I create this file, and whatever name you want to give, you can give here. Now here you need rename your part as what? Seminar ID. Suppose my seminar ID is 1, your initial, that is KMS, and you write your own seminar title, bank, suppose management system. Okay, and save the file. Now I'm saving it in downloads position itself. Now here, if you can observe that this has been created, two files have been created, one which is for chapter 1, and secondly, if you can observe that second chapter also has been come. Now after that, your job will be to get it how much plagiarism is there in your thing. So what you can do is take a file take a PDF Word file, create a new Word file over here, right here create, and inside this create file what you can do is add all the chapters. Now see your first chapter which is there. The first chapter in your KMS_bank chapter is given 72% of uniqueness. So you can write it over here that how much uniqueness is there in your file. 72% of uniqueness in your first chapter. Then you can observe second, again take the second chapter. For the second chapter you will identify 48% uniqueness. So go on to the document and 48% uniqueness. Likewise you can observe, you can click on, now here I am taking only 2 chapters, so accordingly I will write it as 120 out of 2. So here total 60% of uniqueness is there for my project. I'll take this that 60% of uniqueness I am having, file, save as this as a PDF file which is giving summary of flag scan, and I am saving this header file, okay, as a PDF. And suppose if I am storing it in downloads itself, I publish it, save it over there. This is giving me 72% of uniqueness. So 60% of uniqueness. Now go into your one bank management system, and after this particular file you go on and combine file. You need to add the file, add what is your, you can write the summary of flag scan PDF, and open this particular file, create it, and in this what you do is combine the file, or you can say insert the file, insert which file into bank management system. Go on and insert the file that is summary of flag scan. You can take this, so you can either combine the file or go into summary of flag scan PDF, open, and from which page to which page it shows you that I want to go from all the page. I insert it where you want to insert, that also is coming. So if you go into bank management system, you will observe that after this you can observe your summary of flag scan function has been over here. So this shows you that your seminar is having 60% of uniqueness. So this will carry your marks, dear students, for the seminar plagiarism report. And thank you for watching the video. Thank you so much.